and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and for my existing subscribers, thanks for coming on back. I have an exciting video for you today, guys. Oh my gosh. Some of you may know that I have my own company. It's called GlamourEyesByChar, where I sell beautiful glitters. They're cosmetic glitters. I have gorgeous mink lashes, real mink and faux as well. I also have hair accessories, pigments. I have a bunch of other things, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link down below in the goodie box for you. Recently, I've decided to add glam glosses. Yes, lip glosses. They're absolutely beautiful on the lips. They're not sticky. They're packed with ingredients that are great for your lips to keep them hydrated. They're vegan and gluten-free. They do come in a wand tube and a squeeze tube, but for now I'm going to, these are my little samples that I actually gave out to people to try them. So I'm going to demonstrate what these 4 colors look like on my lips. Oh, you're going to love them. So let's go ahead and get started with the lip swatches. Everything to my video. Comment down below which glam gloss you like the best. I definitely like to see it. I think this one here that I'm wearing, which is Lala, is my favorite one. I love pinks, especially nude pinks. Who am I trying to fool? I love all kinds of pinks. But if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!